Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we're gonna draw Gojo. So first we're gonna start off with the eyes, which you can't even see his eyes. Just gonna be a blind mask on him. Okay, so now I've done the eye mask. Now I'm gonna go with the nose. Okay, now I've done the nose. So now we're just gonna draw the mouth and the face. Okay, so now I've done that. We're gonna now do the outline of his face. So now we've done that, we're just gonna draw his ears.
Can you repeat the correct name as well?
Okay, so if you lot don't remember, we're gonna draw Gojo.
Gojo.
So now we've done that, we want to go with the hair. So now we've done that, we want to go with the neck. You can only see a bit of the neck because he's wearing most of his clothing. So now we've done the neck, we will add the details later. And now we're gonna go with the clothes. And then now we're gonna go with the outline of the clothes, which don't do a full circle. And then after that, you want to do one line here and one line here. Okay, so now you want to do like the shoulders, and then you want to do some and then now you're like, and then now you want to do some of the details on this. Okay, so now there's a zip on him, which you can do too. And something overlapping the zip. And now we want to go with the details. So now we're going to do the details. Now the neck details, you can't see that much, so you don't need to do it. Okay, so now we just need to go in a bit of detail with the ears, and then we're done. Okay, so now we're done. Now I'm gonna color, and if you don't want to follow me color, then you can. So I'm just gonna start with this simple baby pink.
We have the collection of these colors.
We have collection of these colors. Okay, so now we're done with that. We wanna add a little of a blue gray. Oh, not this blue gray.
Okay.
Yes, this blue gray. And then you want to show you these kind of patterns I did, because we're going to do something else with them later. because these patterns are the tints for the mask. Okay, so now we want to color this too. Okay, so now I'm just gonna open the other lid because I can color even more of this. Okay, so now it's just halfway done. Okay, so now I've colored all of the clothing and stuff. So now it's completed. Now we're gonna add the other colors. So I'm just gonna use these for the lightness of the mask and the light shadows too. So I'm just gonna color these. And then after this, we're gonna add the shadows and we're gonna color the hair gray, or maybe just shadow it gray. So now we've done that, and then next we just wanna kind of do the shadows. Okay, we've done the light shadows. Now we're gonna go with the dark shadows. Okay, so now we have done that. Okay, so guys, I'm just gonna do the hair and then I am finished. Okay, so now I am done and I want to give Ibrahim a shout. Say hello.
Assalamu alaikum everyone.
And then guys, please, if you lot can you lot please stay in touch and share our videos, like and subscribe, and just enjoy them. Bye.
Thank you everyone for watching this channel. Have a lovely day.